Hi friends, welcome back to Edu Skills OET Made Easy. And today we are dealing with reading part C.
So OET skills, coming to today's business. What is the evident strategy being used here?
These are the types of questions being repeatedly asked in your OET reading test. Just search for the name in the paragraph. It can be an organization, a person, or a device, whatever. Whenever a name happens, you see in the heading word or the keyword of the question, you have to immediately go into that portion of the text. Our mission is to make you fall in love with OET. If you're watching this on YouTube, kindly consider subscribing the channel, give us a thumbs up if you like our work, and please do share to your contacts so that we reach out to maximum number of OET aspirants, especially those who are financially struggling to crack OET. Yeah, OET reading part C, skills. Okay, the strategies again, you have a problem, reason 1, reason 2, reason 3. This is from OET official sample material, reading sample material 3. Thank you, OET, for allowing me to use this. We will just read this. So you have to identify these things. Okay, you have to find out a problem, then the reasons. Okay, reason 1, reason 2, reason 3 as you listen to.
14. Dr. Suter suggests that the rise in cases of one allergy may be partly due to A. Attempts to improve eating habits, B. Changes in food manufacturing methods, C. The adoption of new agricultural practices, D. Increased levels of harmful substances in the atmosphere.
Okay, now you know this is an opinion-based question because suggest is there, right? The word suggest. And another strategy is the name. Whenever there is name, what happens? Where you have to launch immediately? Where you find the name in the passage.
Name in the paragraph.
So beautiful. You see how you can locate. This is how do you defeat the time. That's why I said if you become competent, really you can complete your exam within 30 or 35 minutes. A, B, C, all the 3 parts. Because immediately you know where the answer will be. So you will not have to read everything. So now you are there. Just listen. Now you have to find out a problem and the reasons. Be conscious and try to listen one reason. That the rise in cases of one allergy may be partly due to. Due to means what you have to understand?
Reason.
Cause, yeah. Cause, reason, or factors, whatever it is all same. Cause, reason, or factors. So you have to find out attempts to improve eating habits, changes in food manufacturing methods, the adoption of new agricultural practices, increased levels of harmful substances in the atmosphere. There will be many reasons, but you have to see what Dr. Suter suggests or says. That's a focus point. There will be many reasons. Out of these, for example, one is improving food habits. Now let's listen to the text and you know where to focus. Normally, the answer will be when there is a name, it should be after the name because that they are asking that what does that person suggest or speak or opine. Listen carefully, okay? This is a good listening
In
practice.
Australia, the number of people with genuine and severe allergies is growing. Some doctors speculate whether the increased amount of new chemicals in the environment and in food is perhaps damaging immune systems, making them more prone to react adversely. Much more research needs to be done to provide evidence for that hypothesis. Anecdotally though, some experts say that staying off processed foods resolves the problem in a significant number of cases. Dr. Suter speculates that a rise in peanut allergy cases makes up the bulk of the increase in food allergies. Greater exposure has probably allowed more peanut allergies to flourish, she thinks. Peanut consumption per capita is rising. It's a common ingredient in Asian and vegetarian dishes, which have grown in popularity, and the diet-conscious population is increasingly turning to nuts as a source of healthy fats.
Increasingly turning to nuts. Again, nuts refers to peanut as a source of healthy fats. So again, these key expressions are repeated. And the reason here, they cannot speak of manufacturing here because they are speaking about the genuine allergies and they haven't mentioned anything about agricultural practices. So that's what I said, the key idea, focus, controlling idea. You should understand the controlling idea of the paragraph as you read the questions, even from the topic sentence. Now, and increased level of harmful substance in the atmosphere. That is given here. Increased amount of new chemicals in the environment. But that is not the opinion of Dr. Suitor. That's the difference. So whenever there is a name given, suddenly launch or just focus onto that area where you have the name. So there is no confusion. Don't worry about what others say. There are so many people. Some experts say that staying off processed foods resolves the problem. Some experts, that's not suitor. That is not suitor. So just focus on the name. That is the best solution for you. So what I am telling, whatever is highlighted in black here, you need not read in detail those things. If at all you have to skim through, you have to skim through. But as soon as you find, that's why I said this is the edging word in the question, these two words. Edging word is, main word is Dr. Suitor. Then immediately you have to locate Dr. Suitor in the paragraph. Then after that, you have the answer. So you can just ignore this portion. So what happens? You beat your greatest enemy. Who is that greatest enemy?
Time.
See? Yeah. Australia, the number of people with genuine and severe allergies is growing. Dr. Suitor, that a rise in peanut allergy. She thinks the answer is at the end. The diet conscious population is increased, turning to nuts as a source of healthy fats, which is the reason for the reason. Is that clear? Now
Yes,
look here. Yeah.
Yes,
Now look
Father.
here.
Yes, Father.
See the structure. This is how you have to analyze. Every paragraph has got a structure. I said need not be all problems, reasons. This is luckily here. Sometimes it can be a problem and solution 1, solution 2, solution 3, or a problem and factor and the associated issues, whatever it is. There is a paragraph structure. Problem, allergies. Reason 1, increased amount of new chemicals in the environment and in food. Reason 2, processed food. Reason 3, diet conscious population in increasingly turning to nuts. Now they have given these 3 options, 3 reasons. But why we have selected the last one?
We are asking for
Writer's
opinion of
opinion.
doctor.
Yeah, Dr. Suitor's opinion they are asking. It's so clear. So clear. 4 of you are sitting and somebody is giving an opinion, and I am asking what is Sumi Pratap's opinion. So it's only Sumi Pratap. What Sumi Pratap said, you have to quote, not other opinions. So it's very simple and clear. That's it.